So using DeepSeek, what you can also do is generate out table data as you like. So if you want to go ahead and generate out your table data, you can go around onto the chat message and type in the prompt accordingly. Let's say, for example, I can simply go ahead and type in generate a table data of a list of fruits. Let's say, for example, I'm going to say of a list of fruits with SN, fruit name, color, nutritional value as columns right here. And I'm going to go ahead and say give a list of 20 fruits, just like this. So if I were to go ahead and do this and hit the send button, then what happens is that as I said generate a table data, it'll simply go ahead and generate a table data in table format, just like this. And this is simply how you can get the table data generation option inside of DeepSeek. So you can see that it is generating right here. So it's almost at 13. So I asked it for 20 fruits. So you can see that it went long right here and gave it the table data right here, just like this. And this is how you can go ahead and utilize the table data generation inside of DeepSeek. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.